Hi. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have. I went to Thailand last year.
Wow. That is amazing. How was your experience?
It was wonderful. The beaches were beautiful and the food was delicious.
Which city did you like the most?
I liked Phuket the most because of the clear water and calm beaches.
Did you try any adventure activities there?
Yes, I tried snorkeling and ziplining.
That sounds fun. Did you face any challenges during your trip?
Yes, the language barrier was a bit difficult at times.
I can imagine. How did you manage it?
I used translation apps and tried to learn a few basic phrases.
Smart move. Did you visit any cultural places?
Yes, I visited several temples and local markets.
Which one did you enjoy the most?
I enjoyed visiting the big Buddha statue in Phuket the most.
Nice. Did you stay in a hotel or a resort?
I stayed in a small beach resort near Patong Beach.
Sounds relaxing. How was the food there?
The seafood was fresh and very tasty.
Awesome. Did you take many photos?
Yes, I took hundreds of photos to remember the trip.
Did you plan your itinerary yourself or with a tour guide?
I planned most of it myself, but I hired a guide for some excursions.
That is a good idea. How did you book your flights?
I booked my flights online through a travel website.
Did you face any delays or issues with flights?
No major issues, only a slight delay in one of the connecting flights.
Did you use public transport or taxis during your trip?
Mostly taxis and tuk-tuks. Sometimes buses for longer distances.
How about shopping? Did you buy souvenirs?
Yes, I bought some handmade crafts and local snacks for my family.
Which local food did you enjoy the most?
I loved pad thai and fresh tropical fruits.
Did you try any street food?
Yes, the street food was delicious and very cheap.
Were there any safety concerns?
Not really, but I made sure to avoid crowded areas at night.
Good thinking. Did you meet any other travelers?
Yes, I met people from different countries while staying at the hostel.
That is fun. Did you join any group tours?
Yes, I joined a day tour to Phi Phi Islands.
How was the island tour?
It was amazing. The water was crystal clear, and I saw many colorful fish.
Did you go scuba diving or just snorkeling?
I only went snorkeling, but I want to try scuba diving next time.
Did you experience any cultural performances?
Yes, I watched a traditional Thai dance show in Bangkok.
How long was your trip?
I stayed for 10 days.
Did you feel it was enough time?
It was enough for the main places, but I would love to stay longer.
Did you face any language problems in restaurants?
Sometimes, but I usually showed the menu or used translation apps.
Did you try any local drinks?
Yes, I tried coconut water and Thai iced tea.
Did you enjoy public beaches or private ones?
I preferred private beaches. They were quieter and more relaxing.
Did you take any boat rides?
Yes, I took a long-tail boat ride around the islands.
Did you see any wildlife?
Yes, I saw monkeys and tropical birds during the boat trips.
Did you experience any local festivals?
Yes, I attended a small local festival with traditional dances.
What was the highlight of your trip?
Visiting the Phi Phi Islands and snorkeling with colorful fish.
Would you like to go back to Thailand?
Definitely. I want to explore the northern part next time.
Did you meet friendly locals?
Yes, most locals were very helpful and friendly.
How did you communicate with them?
Mostly through gestures and simple English words.
Did you take any travel insurance?
Yes, I did, and it was very useful for minor medical issues.
Did you keep a travel journal or blog?
Yes, I wrote daily notes and shared photos on my travel blog.
Did you use any travel apps?
Yes, I used maps, translation, and flight booking apps.
Did you face jet lag?
Yes, but only for the first 2 days.
Did you plan your own route or follow a guidebook?
Mostly my own route with help from online guides.
Did you try local markets?
Yes, I bought handmade jewelry and souvenirs there.
Did you bargain for prices?
Yes, it is common to bargain in local markets.
Did you enjoy street performances?
Yes, I watched some traditional music and dance shows.
Did you try any extreme sports?
Yes, I went ziplining and kayaking.
Did you take any scenic hikes?
Yes, I hiked to a viewpoint in Krabi.
Did you face any difficulties during hikes?
Yes, it was a bit tiring in the heat.
Did you use local guides for hiking?
Yes, it was safer and more informative.
Did you travel alone or with friends?
I traveled with a friend.
Did you stay in hostels or hotels?
Mostly hotels, but a couple of nights in hostels.
Did you meet other travelers in hostels?
Yes, it was fun sharing stories and tips.
Did you use public transport in Bangkok?
Yes, I used BTS, Skytrain and taxis.
Did you enjoy night markets?
Yes, I love the atmosphere and street food.
Did you take part in cooking classes?
Yes, I learned to make pad thai and green curry.
Did you enjoy the lessons?
Yes, it was very interesting and fun.
Did you visit any museums?
Yes, I visited the National Museum in Bangkok.
Did you learn about the history there?
Yes, it was very educational and informative.
Did you take guided tours in temples?
Yes, guides explained the history and significance.
Did you enjoy local festivals?
Yes, the colors and dances were amazing.
Did you try traditional clothes?
Yes, I wore a traditional Thai outfit for photos.
Did you enjoy shopping in malls?
Yes, Bangkok malls were very modern and interesting.
Did you try night cruises?
Yes, I took a dinner cruise on the Chao Phraya River.
Did you enjoy the food and views?
Yes, it was romantic and peaceful.
Did you attend any workshops?
Yes, I attended a traditional craft workshop.
Did you make anything yourself?
Yes, I made a small handmade souvenir.
Did you take local cooking classes?
Yes, it was very fun and delicious.
Did you explore local villages?
Yes, I visited a small fishing village near the coast.
Did you interact with locals there?
Yes, they were very welcoming and kind.
Did you try biking tours?
Yes, I biked around some rural areas.
Did you take any river tours?
Yes, I took a boat trip along the rivers in Bangkok.
Did you enjoy nature walks?
Yes, the countryside was beautiful and peaceful.
Did you visit any wildlife sanctuaries?
Yes, I visited an elephant sanctuary responsibly.
Did you feed the animals there?
Yes, with guidance from the staff.
Did you try local desserts?
Yes, mango sticky rice was my favorite.
Did you enjoy coffee shops there?
Yes, local coffee shops were cozy and tasty.
Did you experience nightlife?
Yes, I visited some nightclubs and bars.
Did you feel safe at night?
Yes, mostly safe, but I stayed in busy areas.
Did you try kayaking?
Yes, it was thrilling and fun.
Did you hike mountains?
Yes, I climbed a small mountain for sunrise views.
Did you enjoy the sunrise?
Yes, it was breathtaking.
Did you camp outdoors?
Yes, I camped one night near the beach.
Did you enjoy stargazing?
Yes, the sky was so clear and beautiful.
Did you try local spa treatments?
Yes, Thai massage was very relaxing.
Did you take cooking souvenirs?
Yes, spices and sauces as gifts.
Did you take any helicopter tours?
No, I didn't try that yet.
Would you like to do it next time?
Yes, definitely. It looks exciting.
Did you visit any waterfalls?
Yes, the waterfalls were beautiful and refreshing.
Did you swim there?
Yes, the water was cool and clear.
Did you try paragliding?
Not yet, but I want to try it someday.
Did you enjoy boat trips?
Yes, especially around the limestone cliffs.
Did you experience kayaking in caves?
Yes, it was an amazing adventure.
Did you enjoy island hopping?
Yes, I love visiting multiple islands in one day.
Did you snorkel with fish?
Yes, the coral reefs were colorful and full of fish.
Did you try scuba diving?
Not yet, but I plan to next trip.
Did you enjoy local fruits?
Yes, mangoes and durians were delicious.
Did you enjoy cycling tours?
Yes, exploring villages by bike was fun.
Did you enjoy trekking?
Yes, trekking in the forest was peaceful.
Did you try camping in forests?
Yes, it was adventurous but safe.
Did you enjoy kayaking at sunset?
Yes, it was beautiful and calm.
Did you take part in local festivals?
Yes, I joined a small lantern festival.
Did you enjoy music and dance there?
Yes, traditional dances were amazing.
Did you try local crafts?
Yes, I learned to make small crafts.
Did you enjoy local street food?
Yes, it was fresh and tasty.
Did you enjoy your entire trip?
Yes, it was unforgettable and full of adventures.